Hi Aquarius. I'm so sorry I did your entire August reading and I switched the camera off and I suddenly remembered I never took out a Ganesha oracle card for you. I know most of you look forward to the month beginning with a blessing from Lord Ganesha and I said I can't let that go. So I'm going to do this little clip and I'm going to attach it to the video and then your reading will begin, okay? So let me just take out a Ganesha oracle card for you Aquarius. Lord Ganesha, for August, we need a blessing from you for Aquarius. Thank you. For Aquarius, for August, please. For Aquarius. For Aquarius, blessing, guidance, sustenance. No wonder. Sustenance is your card, Aquarius. Now, when you see the reading, you will know what this means. In your entire reading has been about preparing, even maybe financially, for some goal of yours. Okay, and this is Lord Ganesha saying that yes, don't worry, your everything that you need will be provided for you. It's better to kind of start working towards it. Even though they are going to be helping you, you have to make those moves to make sure that you're not in too much of a rush by the time you really need this. Okay, you'll understand when you see the rest of the reading, you'll understand exactly what this card means. Let me show it to you. Okay, so this is your card for August. Sustenance. Wonderful. It goes so beautifully with the reading. Now let the reading begin and you'll understand what this means. All right, so happy watching. See you next time. Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your August read. And these are general collective readings, Aquarius, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. Let's see what messages want to show through for you today, Aquarius. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them messages which they can need or be helped by for August. Thank you. All right, so Aquarius, let's start your reading. Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Wheel of Fortune coming in. Good luck coming in August, Aquarius. Okay. All right. And Spirit's secret message for you. All right, so I think you're healing from something in August, or maybe, oh no. Good luck is on your side. And then I have the Star card as well, Aquarius. Some wishes of yours are coming true. Something that you really want, you're holding on to that dream big time. So let's see what's in your current energies. I have the Four of Pentacles, which is now. August hasn't started yet. This is your current energy. What is Aquarius holding on to, Spirit? Or holding back from? Four of Pentacles. One more. You're holding on to some dream, or it could be even money. Maybe, oh yes, you have a dream. You have a dream which is going to give you a lot of abundance, prosperity, forward movement, and this is like a big dream that you have for progress in your life. You are holding on to this dream really tight, Aquarius. You don't want things to change, or you don't want to even think about not having this dream, and this is like been a focus of yours for a very long time, because you know that this is your future. So this is something that you are either collecting your money for, maybe you're keeping it under wraps, you're not maybe sharing this information with too many people, but you intuitively know that this path that you're going to take is going to be the best for you. You could be some of you could also be saving money for it. Maybe you want to buy a house, or maybe higher education, or maybe a trip that you've planned, something that you are quietly saving, or doing something for something which is very close to your heart. It's a dream that you've never given up. It's always been there in the background. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? Two of Cups. Yes, you got an offer. There was an offer of partnership or a very good lucrative offer, and you were a bit back and forth about it, whether you will receive it or not. You were not sure because this was too big a dream for you. You were not sure whether you would even achieve it. Somewhere in your heart you felt you may not have enough maybe money for it, or you may not be considered for it. Something happened here, Aquarius, where that dream is still alive and you're not letting it go. You're not letting it go. It makes you feel really good. When you plan for it also, it makes you feel really good. So, but coming up in August, I do see the Wheel of Fortune. Let's see what that is. What's this Wheel of Fortune, Spirit? Wheel of Fortune. Things are going to be, oh my God, things are going to be moving at a very high, fast-paced Aquarius in August. It's going to stress you out a little bit. It's going to stress you out a little bit because on one side you want to take action big time. This is your dream. This is not a collective dream. And you may feel, yes, it makes you really happy. This makes you so happy. I mean, gives you so much joy and happiness, but yet somewhere it breaks your heart also to take action. Something stresses you out. I don't know what this is. Either this is your individual dream and you can't take your partner with you, or it changes something. It changes something which makes you so happy and yet heartbroken at the same time. Yes, this is like you may feel a little burdened maybe. Maybe, you know, it's like sometimes when you want something really bad, it comes with responsibilities as well. There are certain things that you haven't taken into account maybe. Say, I've always wanted to go to Egypt and I've been saving money for that. But when finally I have enough to go for that trip, my child starts crying and says, "Hey, mommy, don't leave me alone." Or I realize the suitcase handle is broken. Now I have to buy another suitcase as well. And I don't have the right kind of clothes to carry, so I'll have to buy those as well. And, certain bills have to be paid while I'm away. So, yes, I do see a lot of changes happening. With that happiness also comes a little bit of stress and a little bit of burden. But it's going to not overpower your sense of happiness, because your happiness is complete. It's the 10 of Cups. Celebration, joy and happiness. Where is that? Yes. Look at this. This is how you're going to be feeling. Yes, you'll have a bit of stress here and there. I'm sure you'll deal with it because luck is on your side. The wheel of fortune is already moving in your favor. Okay, so don't worry too much about this burden. You may have certain responsibilities to take care of before you can really enjoy this, but I promise you, whatever this is a dream that you've been nurturing for a very long time. And you're going to start seeing this spinning into motion now in August. So start preparing now. Start making a list of, manifesting that, okay, I've got what I wanted. Imagine that and say, okay, if I have to do this, how is it? So start making a checklist now so you're not suddenly burdened with everything at the same time. What should Aquarius hold on to? Aquarius, hold on to this dream of yours. You are so capable. You are so strong. You are so fiery at this point. You have the energy. You have the stamina. You can deal with anything that life throws to you, and you can do it alone. Don't worry about it. So Spirit is saying, hold on to this fire that's in your gut. Queen of Wands, Spirit, why should Aquarius hold on to this? Queen of Wands energy? Because this is your dream come true. This is something that you've always wanted. This is that partnership, that offer, that thing that puts you at par with yourself. This is almost like you mirroring yourself in the mirror to say, now I feel Now I feel it. This is an active choice of yours, something that you, just you, want for yourself. And you can get it. You have it in you, and you can do it all by yourself, Aquarius. You can achieve all the abundance in the world and look good while doing it as well. So, what's this Nine of Pentacles, Spirit? Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. A Queen of Wands again. This is a brand new life and a chapter starting for you, Aquarius. You coming across as totally self-sufficient. Yes, there's some new offer that you'll be getting now in August, which is going to light that fire. Light that fire. This is a brand new chapter of your life that's going to start, Aquarius. And if you're feeling alone, please don't, because you are never alone. You yourself are more powerful than you can even imagine at this time. Destiny is playing a big role in whatever's happening in your life in August. One more, Spirit. It's going to be sudden. It's going to be shocking. So now that you've seen the reading, Aquarius, let this be a warning, not a warning. I'm giving you preparation time. Because when this new thing, new chapter or new offer or whatever you're waiting for, it comes to you, you'll go, oh, I wanted this all along, but it's here, now what do I do? It's going to kind of change your life in a minute. And that's the reason I see all this little bit of stress and burden that you will be feeling. So if that is the case, Aquarius, you still have a few days left. Why don't you start preparing from now? What's this Tower, Spirit? What's this Tower that we can expect for Aquarius? What's this change? Sudden change? Yeah. See, it may entail travel. Your ships are coming in to collect you and give you all that you've been waiting for, Aquarius. You've done the hard work, you've been waiting, you've been manifesting. But somehow I see that when it comes, it still kind of puts you into a bit of a loop. So start preparing now, I would say. Don't just stand around and wait. Get your suitcase, get your handle fixed of that suitcase. Make sure there's a babysitter for your child if needed, or whatever else, needs to be done for this thing that because it's coming. It's coming, definitely coming. So what can be Aquarius's biggest blockage, Spirit? Knight of Pentacles. Not taking action. That can become a blockage. Not moving. Just sitting there. Yes. Dreaming of this new stable life that you're going to have, but not moving an inch. Look at this horse, not putting one foot ahead of the other, wanting everything, waiting for it, imagining it, expecting it, but not taking action to prepare for it. I think this is more in preparation that Spirit is saying. If you just don't use this time wisely and take action now, it can make this future dream that's coming for you easier to handle. It's going to be big. It's going to surprise you. Even though you've been waiting for it, it's still going to surprise you because it's going to happen like this. So don't let this become a blockage where you get too comfortable in your present environment. And yes, gather as much information as you can also, Spirit is saying. Try and gather as much information, as much knowledge. Till this thing doesn't come in front of you, this opportunity, try and learn more, try and gather information, make notes, prepare. This is all, somebody who's curious and wanting to learn things. Make lists, make a vision board, make a practical plan in this time of waiting. So, how do people see Aquarius in August, Spirit? How do people see Aquarius in August? How do people see Aquarius? Aquarius, people see that you have a lot on your mind. You are crystal clear about your goal, but they see you keeping a few secrets to yourself. They see you, they also could be seeing you a bit worried about your finances, not very satisfied with whatever you've collected till now, maybe looking for other people's help to achieve that. One more, Spirit. One more. Yes, this could be about money, Aquarius. This could be about money where you have a plan for something very big. Okay, you're very clear that you want it, but you're looking a bit stuck to them because of financial reasons. So if that is going to be the case, Aquarius, you might as well begin now. Begin now and start planning your finances for whatever this thing is. Maybe you want to go away somewhere. Maybe this entails some kind of a traveling or walking away or walking towards your Two of Cups, right? Leaving 8 empty cups behind and moving towards the Two of Cups. These Two of Cups, which Spirit says are waiting for you. Some goal of yours, some partnership that you're looking forward to. So if people are going to be seeing you still struggling for finances, maybe as the reason for staying stuck, I would say use this reading and start planning now. Instead of waiting for the sudden change to come and then start, looking at the financial aspect of it. So, Spirit, what's your secret message for Aquarius? King of Pentacles. Why is that a secret message? Oh, okay. All right. Spirit is saying, don't you worry. You've been very, very strong through all this, and you don't have to really worry from what I see. Yes, prepare, yes, I would say. But whatever fast forward movement that's coming towards you, it's going to propel you forward one way or the other, Aquarius. Don't worry about that. If you ever feel stuck, where, say, finances are concerned, I see a lot of people who are going to be helping you. Normally this is a card of, people fighting or having a conflict, but here I see people clamoring to support you and help you so that you can finally get that balance which can help you to move forward. So eventually I do see you achieving your financial goal, if that's your goal, or maybe you need money for something. I see a lot of people extending support for you last minute, but it's going to be haphazard, so be a bit careful of that. It's like you call an Uber and the Uber's at your door and you realize you don't have change and you're asking your family members, do you have $2, $10, $3, and while the meter's running outside. So this could be a clamoring of people wanting to help you last minute. But however it happens, Aquarius, I do see you achieving your goal. So all I'm saying is, if you can start preparing now, it's going to be a more peaceful time for you when this big news of yours comes. Okay? Your wishes are coming true, so don't worry about that. All right, so that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.